Students, in today's class, let us learn about the concentration of a solution. Depending upon the amount of solute present in a solution, it can be a dilute, concentrated or saturated solution. Dilute and concentrated are comparative terms. In activity 2, the solution obtained by group A is dilute as compared to the group B. Before discussing activity 2.3, let us learn about the solubility. Solubility. The maximum amount of solute in grams which can be dissolved in 100 grams of the solvent at a given temperature to form a saturated solution is called the solubility of the solute in that solvent at a specific temperature. In other words, the concentration of a solute in a saturated solution is the same as the solubility of the solute at that temperature. I repeat, concentration of solute in a saturated solution is the same as the solubility of the solute at that temperature. You can understand by an example. For example, a maximum of 32 grams of potassium nitrate can be dissolved in 100 grams of water at 20 degrees Celsius. So, the solubility of the potassium nitrate at 20 degrees centigrade is 32 grams. Another example, 36 grams of common salt, sodium chloride, can be dissolved in 100 grams of water at 20 degrees centigrade. So, the solubility of common salt is 36 grams. Let us understand the variation in solubilities of different substances with temperature by an activity. Activity 2.3. Take approximately 50 ml of water each in two separate beakers. Add salt in one beaker and sugar or barium chloride in the second beaker with continuous stirring. When no more solute can be dissolved, heat the contents of the beaker to raise the temperature by about 5 degrees Celsius. Start adding the solute again. Is there any difference in the amount of common salt and sugar or barium chloride in water at a given temperature? What would be your observation when saturated solution at a certain temperature is cooled slowly? Observation. Common salt, sugar and barium chloride have different solubilities at room temperature as they dissolve in different amounts in the same quantity of water. When a saturated solution is cooled, the solubility decreases and the solute comes out from the solution in the form of crystals which settle at the bottom. From the above activity, we come to conclusion that different substances have different solubilities in given amount of solvent at a given temperature. Generally, solubility increases with increase in temperature. Already we have learned that concentration of a solution is the amount of solute present in a given amount of solution, or otherwise the amount of solute dissolved in a gram mass or volume of solvent. So we can write like this: concentration of the solution is equal to amount of the solute by amount of solution, or amount of solute by amount of solvent. There are various ways used to express the concentration of a solution. We will learn only two methods, that is mass by mass percentage of a solution is equal to mass of the solute divided by mass of the solution into 100. Mass by volume percentage of a solution is equal to mass of the solute by volume of solution into 100. Let us learn how to calculate mass percentage of solution by an example. Example 2.1. A solution contains 40 gram of common salt in 320 gram of water. Calculate the concentration in terms of mass by mass percentage of the solution. Solution. Mass of solute, that is salt, is equal to 40 gram. Mass of solvent is equal to 320 gram. Solvent here is water. We know mass of solution equal to mass of solute plus mass of solvent. So, mass of the solute 40 gram plus mass of solvent 320 gram is equal to 360 gram. Now, mass percentage of solution is equal to mass of solute by mass of the solution into 100. As per your problem, mass of the solute is equal to 40 divided by mass of solution is equal to 360 into 100, which is equal to 11.1%. Let us discuss question number 3 in page number 18. To make a saturated solution, 36 gram of sodium chloride is dissolved in 100 gram of water at 293 Kelvin. Find its concentration at this temperature. Answer. The concentration means the amount of solute present in given amount of solution. By the formula, concentration is equal to mass of solute by mass of solution into 100%, which is equal to mass of solute by mass of solute plus mass of solvent into 100%. Mass of the solute 36, so 36 divided by mass of the solute plus mass of the solvent 36 plus 100 into 100% is equal to 36 divided by 136 into 100, which is equal to 26.47%.